Hi, this is Mr. Lei at Trimble Tech High School. I'd like to take a moment and make a video introducing myself and go over the syllabus with you. The syllabus is going to be turned in for a grade later on. So I have been a teacher since 2006 at Trimble Tech High School, teaching Algebra 2. I post a little bio right here. I'm married and have 4 children. 3 of them are in elementary school and 1 is 18 months old. So if I'm not at work, I will be at home with my children. So as you know, you can log into Google Classroom, and I have everything the first week on here. So let's just pick a class. So each class, this is period A. So if you are in my period A, this is the code to log in. Assume you already know how to do that. And once you log in, you click on this link to start a meeting, class meeting. So let's go to the, click on the syllabus here. My information, email, everything that you need to contact me. The class breaks down into 3 sections: synchronous, asynchronous, and office hour. So synchronous, everybody needs to log into Google Meet. And this is 30%. Everything we do during this 30 minutes, 30%. Asynchronous, your independent work with a partner, whatever the assignment is, that's 30% of your grade. Sometimes I do a summative assessment, end of unit test, each section I could give you a 10 minutes quiz. This will be happen during either tutoring hours or asynchronous, so 20%. Then 6-week exam, 20% of your grade, total 100. And this can your grade for all of this can be found in your student handbook. I think you can download that from the Trimble Tech website. I can email that to you upon request. Spring. Attendance. You must have 90% or above attendance in order to get credit. Attendance. You attend a class daily. Turn in the assignment daily. To get attendance, you can read more here. Here's all the criteria for attendance. If you do one of these, we'll mark you present, remote, asynchronous. If you don't, I will mark you absent. Grading policy, so break into how do you get an A, how do you get a B, how do you get a C for each assignment. Okay, so if your work you turn in, let's say you lack identification of the critical attributes of the problem, combines few of the attributes of the problem, which leads to incomplete identification of mathematical relationship inherent in the problem. Select and implement an inappropriate strategy, use incorrect representation, make significant errors, provide very little or no explanation. In other words, you leave it blank or you leave it blank. So not able to explain to a teacher when sometimes students turn in something and I feel like the student did not do it, or his or her work resembles someone that turned in. I would call the student up, ask, how did you get this answer? So that's what it is. Redo assignment. Student must redo assignment or retake the test within 5 school days. Okay. student will provide an opportunity for tutoring, reteach prior to retesting. You may require to complete the missed work, test correction. The grade student receive is no higher than 70%. A failed semester exam cannot be retake. There will be no redo allowed during the last 6 weeks. The last week of each 6 week, okay? Retake policy does not apply if a student does not turn in work timely. Okay, homework makeup is in the student handbook. You can read it on your own. I do not accept late work during the last week of each 6 week. Okay, redo policy does not apply to assignment turned in late or makeup assignment. Office hour, the last 30 minutes of each class period. Okay, which you have to log into Google Meet. This link right here. Okay. Be prepared each day, please, no pajamas, no clothing with inappropriate language or symbols, pictures. Have all materials ready for class, including paper. A notebook journal is required when we get back to in-person learning, for sure. Last year, I collect them for a grade. You take notes every day. Writing utensil, Chromebook. Find and set up a quiet place to work free from distraction. Only student, teacher, administrator can attend the virtual classroom. The student, teacher must wear proper attire, okay? So be familiar with these right here: Google Classroom, Google Meet, Flipgrid, My HRW, Decimal Graphing Calculator, Khan Academy, email. So on your launch page, you have your Google Classroom, Focus, Google Meet, Decimal Graphing Calculator, Khan Academy is very helpful resource. Springboard. So my PAP student, you will have this right here. Of course, during the first 4 weeks, you have to use the online, the ebook online, which you can access that through this right here. And for Algebra 2 student, you will have the ebook. I have a hard copy here, but you don't, okay? You have to log on to, click on this to get to the ebook online. So back to the syllabus. Be on time, turn on your camera, have your microphone on mute, be respectful, maintain respect, speaking while visible, keep your comments kind and appropriate, no hand gesture or inappropriate body language. Parent conference contact, I do a lot of parent conference contact about your progress. Okay, the last portion, you complete this and turn them in. So this is an assignment online in Google Classroom. So here is your, where is the syllabus? Here's the assignment. You click on this. You can make a copy on your own, fill out the last page, and then turn them in here. Okay. So the next video is going to be about Flipgrid. You will post a video later. I'm going to make another video later on. Okay. So thank you. If you have any question, please email me or ask me when we meet during office hour. Thank you. Bye bye.